Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a crochet block edging for an afghan or for an edge, and it's done in multiples of 4. However, you could work it to where you skipped less stitches in order to do this if your blanket is not done in multiples of 4, or if your edge isn't, that's okay. You could still try to work this type of edging for your edge of your pattern. Okay, so I used an eye hook. You can adjust it for any type of hook size you like. I would recommend H, an I, or a G, maybe even a J, but because the afghan part was done with an I just stuck with the eye hook. Okay, and if you want it to be smaller for the edging, then I would go down a hook size or 2. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to slip stitch in with the new color, and the bottom of that pattern is a half double crochet, and so I'm going to chain 1 with the new color, and then I'm going to turn. Your edge can be any type of stitch when you do the edging, and then I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the edge until I get to the end there. Okay, and now I'm going to chain 3 and turn. You can do this blocking edge without the single crochet edge first to give it a contrast color. I'm doing the single crochet first, and then I'm going to double crochet after skipping 3 stitches, and then chain 3, then work 3 double crochet around that double crochet post. So that's 1, and now 2 double crochet, and then 3 double crochet. I skipped 3 stitches first, and then it's going to look like that. 1, 2, 3 skip, and then in that next one I'm going to work a double crochet again. Then I'm going to chain 3 and then work 3 double crochet around that double crochet post, and then you'll just continue that all the way until you get to the end. Then you're going to skip the 3 and then end with a double crochet at the end. And like I said, you can work, if you don't have multiples of 4 for your edging, you can skip 3 or skip 2 stitches and work the edging that way. Just depends on how many stitches you have for your edge there. Okay, it's going to look like this when you're finished, and then you can weave in your ends, and then this block edge is complete. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.